People that were killed by animals. Part 1. This is Dawn Brunshaw. And in 2010, during a SeaWorld performance, she was unalived by Tilikum the killer whale. Dawn was a trainer at SeaWorld and performed with Tilikum at least 3 times a day. People said she quickly developed a strong bond with the creature. She even thought that Tilikum loved her. On February 24, 2010, Dawn was performing the Dine-In with Shamu show, when suddenly Tilikum dived out of the water and grabbed Dawn by the ponytail and pulled her underwater. Witnesses say the whale did not resurface for at least 5 minutes and Dawn sadly drowned. She was only 40 years old.